Hi, we're Avigilon Alta. We provide open, cloud-native video security that is simple to use and packed with smart analytics. In this short video, we'll discuss the powerful insights that come from an integrated camera and sensor deployment. Sensors add exactly what they say, more sensors, to your surveillance network. Think smell, chemical detection, humidity and temperature changes, and so much more. We'll show you what they look like when integrated with your Alta and third-party cameras, and how you can set up a unified deployment. Let's get started. From the main menu, sensors can be accessed through the Devices section. You'll see a Sensors tab up top, allowing you to select from any sensors you've already configured with Alta Aware. This includes disruptive technologies, IP videos, Halo, or any other third-party sensor. In this case, we can take things like a server or showroom door, or even a temperature sensor leak detection, or an open-close sensor, and display the current status. We can also see any cameras associated with it and pin all this on a map. By opening the Map tool, we can find any map that is relevant to our environment and click on the Edit button. Select the sensors you want to add to the map in their correct location. Take your chosen sensors and drag them to their appropriate location within the floor plan. If we go back into View, you can see the camera that is facing that location. You can also see the real-time status of that sensor. As you can see, this proximity sensor was last closed 6 minutes ago. As soon as it is opened, you can see the real-time update, going from closed to opened and capturing that event or triggering any rules. And there you have it, sensors. How can sensors be helpful to you? Here are a few ideas. Sensors are the next step toward a full IoT office space. A sensor can detect chemicals below the human threshold, such as volatile organic compounds and carbon monoxide. They can sense changes in humidity or temperature that could disrupt operations or affect food and product quality. Others can detect doors opening or movement. Different types of sensors can be leveraged to provide additional information about your environment in ways that cameras can't capture visually. Say your server room needs to be kept below a certain temperature. A sensor placed inside can detect an increase in temperature or other rapid changes that could signal a potential server failure is imminent. Similarly, in places where humidity control is crucial, such as a museum archive, greenhouse, or wine cellar, you would be alerted to changes in humidity before they start to cause harm. Other sensors can detect the volatile organic compounds present in vapes or e-cigarettes, which might not be perceptible by smell but can still pose a threat to health. Proximity sensors can let you know if a door is opened in an area where it would be inappropriate to install a camera, such as outside a restroom. As you can imagine, the applications are endless. Alta links with these sensors to provide a single integrated solution that enhances security and data intelligence. All analytics, including sensor integration, are available across all Avigilon Alta cameras and can be extended to third-party cameras, providing you with unparalleled investment protection and flexibility. We're excited to see how you use it.